Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp profile picture not showing. So guys, if your WhatsApp profile picture is not showing, there are several possible reasons and solutions. First of all, you have to check your privacy settings. Make sure that your profile picture visibility settings are set to everyone or my contacts so that others can see your profile picture. So to do this, go to your phone settings and now tap on the account and privacy, and you can see profile photo, and you can see nobody. So that means that my profile picture is nobody can see in my profile picture. So if I tap on my contacts or everyone, then people will be able to see my profile picture. So this is the first reason. Also guys, you can the second one is you can update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the WhatsApp to benefit from any improvement or bug fixes related to the image display. Number third, you can have to check your contacts privacy settings. Ask your contact to check their privacy setting and ensure that their profile picture is set to be visible to everyone or to your contacts. So wait it out. If you have recently changed your profile picture, it may take some time for the new picture to appear for the others. If none of these solutions works, try uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.